Hi everyone, welcome back to Still Las Vegas. Today we are sharing a room tour video with you from Fontainebleau, Las Vegas. Fontainebleau is one of the newest hotels on the Strip. We've stayed once before and we can highly recommend it. Today we are sharing a room tour of the Gold King Mountain View room. We are in room 5653, so that's on the 56th floor. And this is a map of the floor just here, and you can see our room is here. So this is the front of the hotel that faces onto the Strip. So we're just slightly round the corner, but you can actually see the Strip, and there's also a very good view of the Sphere from this room as well. So I'm looking forward to showing you that. But first of all, just as we come in the front door, you can see we have this hallway area here, and next to the door there are a couple of buttons, so you can actually put the do not disturb or the service on with the buttons here, and what that does is it lights up outside the door in red or green to show whether you're ready for your room to be serviced or not. And also where it lights up is actually a doorbell, so it's pretty cool to have a doorbell in your hotel room. Also just here we have some switches to control the lighting, so you can turn them all on or all off, but as well as that you can actually turn the brightness down to a medium or a low level, which is really nice to have that option as well. And just as we turn round, so coming in from the room and going to the left, we have the bathroom, so I'll show that to you first. So just as we come into the bathroom here, you can see the large illuminated mirror above the dual sinks just here, and at the sink area you have a mirror, some tissues, and you also have some toiletries. So we've got the Fontainebleau bar of soap, there's some face cloths and hand towels here, and there's also a Fontainebleau body lotion and shower cap there as well. So it's a really nice area for getting ready. Also below the sinks there is some storage. There are two shelves there, and there's some towels and a hairdryer there as well, and a nice mat on the floor with the Fontainebleau bow tie logo on there. So really nice luxurious looking sink area. I really like this, and the lighting is amazing. That light on the mirror can actually be controlled with the switches just here next to the door. So again, like in the main room, you can turn them all on or all off, but you can actually change the brightness of that light as well. So it is on just now, and if you just do that you can turn it up or down. I don't know if you'll be able to see the difference there, but that's it turned off, and I'll just turn the brightness gradually back up. So that's also a good feature to have with the lighting there. Another thing you can do is when the lights are all off, you can actually have a night light, and that's a really nice thing to have. So it's just one little light on the shelving below the sinks, and that's really good to have on at night time. So I'll just turn all of the lights back on now, and we'll have a look at the shower area. So the shower in this room is a huge walk-in shower. So you have a little seating area there because it is so large, and you also have the waterfall shower head up on the ceiling there, as well as the angled shower head on the wall. So that is great, and the water pressure is so good. There's also a shelf here for your toiletries, and they do provide shampoo, conditioner and body wash as well, and these products smell amazing, so really happy to see that they're still included in the room. Also in the bathroom we of course have the toilet just here, so I'll just show you that. It's got its own separate little room, which is nice, and it's got some nice artwork on the wall, and this door you can close over completely and you can't see in there at all. So yeah, that is the bathroom of this room, which I think is really impressive. Now we'll move out to the main part of the room. You might have noticed actually there's also a robe here as well that you get with the room, and there's another one in the closet in the room. So we'll just come through. This is heading into the main part of the room. So you've got the full length mirror just here, and it actually has little hooks on either side as well, which is quite good for storing bags or coats. And then this is a look at the main part of the room. So right away you can actually see out to that amazing mountain view there, and you can see the bed here. So this is a king bed. This is the gold room. So you have a little footstool at the end of the bed, and then you have this lovely headboard with the lighting built in at either side, and there's also some nice gold artwork above the bed as well. The bedside tables have some lighting controls where you can again turn them all on or off or adjust the brightness of the lights. And as well as that, they also have the option to open and close the drapes and shears, which is amazing to have right next to the bed. You might also notice there's an outlet here and a USB and a USB-C port as well. So really everything that you could need there. There's also a drawer in the bedside cabinet, and there's also some room below, which is quite good for storing any shoes that you might have with you as well. And just going over to the other side of the bed, we have the same bedside table with a drawer and some storage room below. And there's also at this side a little Fontainebleau notepaper and pen, and there's also a phone there as well. So yeah, the bed is so nice. I really like the headboard detail, and you'll also see that on the wall next to the bed there's some nice artwork there as well. And just as we turn round to the area in front of the bed, you'll see the media wall here with the TV on a frosted mirror background, which looks so nice and luxurious. Then there's also this whole unit below for storage, so I'll just show you some of that. These are all drawers, so you have very large deep drawers, and there are 6 of those there, which is great. Then just coming over to these larger doors, if we open this one first, there's a drawer in here that actually contains some glassware and some things for having drinks in the room, which is such a nice touch. And below that, this drawer is actually a cooling drawer. So this is the fridge that you can have for your own use in the room. In the cupboard just next to that one, there is another fridge, and this is your mini bar here. So everything is chargeable and weighted. So if you pick anything up, it will be charged to your room. And above that, we have the food in the minibar as well. So you've got some sweets, some snacks, and some water there as well. Then just next to that, you of course have the ice bucket and glasses here. You've got the remote for the TV, and there's also a really nice lamp there as well. Over towards the window area, we have one of 2 closets in this room. So this one lights up when you open the doors, and this is where the other robe is located. And there's also plenty of hangers. There's also a shelf above, and there's a shelf at the bottom for storage. You also have in here this hanger that has your slippers, and it has your laundry and dry cleaning things there as well. So a really nice spacious closet. The other closet is just over at the other side here, so I'll show you that one as well. So this one has again a shelf above, it has lighting inside, and on this top shelf you will find this, which is a steamer. So this is something that the last time we stayed here we absolutely loved. It's so good for getting any creases out of your clothes. Absolutely love that they include that in the rooms. There's also a safe here. It is a little bit of a smaller safe, but it's still good to have that there. And there's also a luggage rack in this closet as well. So plenty of storage in the room. And now just looking over towards the window area, you'll see there is a little table and chairs here right next to the window, which is a lovely place to sit and enjoy the views. We'll just have a better look at this amazing view now. So it is classed as a mountain view room. The view of the mountains is absolutely beautiful, and you'll see down below, large building there, that's the Las Vegas Convention Centre. But if we just turn round to the right slightly, you will see that there is actually a strip view, which is pretty amazing from this room. And the sphere as well is the thing that is the clearest to see. We can see all of the adverts and things coming up on the sphere, so it's lovely to just sit here and watch that, especially at night time. It's just such a good view. And really looking at the strip, you can make out a lot of the properties along the strip there, all the way down to Mandalay Bay and Luxor. So I am so happy with this room for being a mountain view. It's been really impressive. And yet just the overall room is so lovely. The decor in Fontainebleau is so luxurious, and it's also fresh. Everything looks really clean, and I'm excited to be staying here again. The thing that I love the most about this hotel is actually the pool area. So I'm excited to go there. It was something I would definitely recommend staying at this hotel for that reason. It's so nice. So I hope you have enjoyed watching this room tour video today. This is the Gold King Mountain View room at the Fontainebleau. If you have enjoyed it, and if it's helped you to decide whether you would like to stay here or not, please give the video video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button as we do upload new Vegas videos every single week. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.